Welcome to the math class. Today I am discussing about the theorem cancellation loss. In cancellation loss, let G be a group. Let G be a group in group law. Then take any three elements ABC belongs to G. First condition AB is equal to AC. That implies B is equal to C. So this is the left cancellation law. And the second property BA is equal to CA. That implies again B is equal to C. Is called a right cancellation loss. Proof. Given that let G be a group, let G G be a group. G be a group. Group lo in every group, the identity element and inverse element is unique. So we can take the identity element in capital G. Let small e be the identity element. E be the identity element in capital G. Identity element in capital G. Let A, B, C belongs to capital G. The given three elements A, B, C is also belongs to capital G. Since A belongs to G, that implies we have A inverse is also belongs to capital G. Why? Because G is a group. So group satisfies inverse law, identity law. Inverse, identity, closure like this. All properties. G satisfied all properties. Closure associative. So A belongs to G. The inverse of A is A inverse is also belongs to capital G. Consider first property. Now I will prove first property. Consider the left hand side AB is equal to AC. We can multiply A inverse on both sides. On the left hand side, A inverse into AB, that is equal to A inverse into AC. In a group, the associative condition, according to the associative condition, I have to change the brackets. A inverse into A into B is equal to A inverse into A into C. Since by associative condition, that implies by inverse condition, A inverse into A is equal to E, identity element, E into B, that is equal to again A inverse into A is equal to E into C. Since A inverse into A is equal to an identity element, so E and E is an identity. E is an identity. E is an identity also. That implies E identity E into something B is equal to B. That is equal to E into C is equal to C. So B is equal to C. Since by left cancellation law. Since left cancellation law. సో ఈ అనేది లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సి, లెఫ్ట్ క్యాన్సిలేషన్ లా. దేర్ఫోర్ ఏబి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏసి, దట్ ఇంప్లైస్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సి ఈజ్ left cancellation law. And second condition, consider BA is equal to C into A. We can multiply A inverse on both sides by right hand side. B into A into A inverse, C into A into A inverse. By associative condition, we can write here like this. C into A inverse. Since by associative law, that implies B into E is equal to C into A. Since A into A inverse is equal to an identity element, that implies B is equal to C, since by right cancellation law or CL. Therefore BA is equal to CA, that implies B is equal to C, is called right cancellation law. So therefore the two conditions is over. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. And one more important problem. Or theorem. Theorem. Let G be a group. Let G be a group for AB belongs to capital G. Then prove that AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Is a very, very important theorem. Important. So observe that the given condition, let G be a group. G is satisfied. Group condition is over. We can take any two elements in group G. The two elements satisfy this property. Okay. Proof. Let capital G be a group. Group means four conditions are over. So in every group, identity element is there. So let E be the identity. E be the identity element in capital G. Let AB also belongs to capital G. Okay. Now observe here. Observe that since AB belongs to capital G, that implies where G is a group, according to the closure law, A into B is also belongs to capital G. So dot is the binary operation. We can take any two elements, apply the binary operation on these two elements, we get the result is also belongs to capital G. A into B is also belongs to G. And again, since A, B belongs to capital G, that implies A means group G, A అనే ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంటే A inverse is also belongs to capital G, comma B also belongs to G, that implies B inverse is also belongs to capital G. So this is the identity condition and this is the inverse condition for these inverses of two elements. So the again by closure law, since by closure law, బై క్లోజర్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఈ రెండు ఎలిమెంట్స్ అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండు ఎలిమెంట్స్కి మళ్ళీ క్లోజర్లో అప్లై చేస్తున్నాను. బి ఇన్వర్స్ ఇంటూ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో బిలాంగ్స్ టు జి సిన్స్ బై క్లోజర్. ఇక్కడేమో ఇన్వర్స్ అనమాట. ఇన్వర్స్ ఇక్కడ ఇన్వర్స్ కండిషన్స్ ప్రకారం ఈ రెండు ఇన్వర్సెస్ ఎలిమెంట్లు జీలో ఉంటున్నాయి. ఆ రెండు ఇన్వర్స్ ఎలిమెంట్స్కి క్లోజర్లో అప్లై చేస్తే ద ప్రొడక్ట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో బిలాంగ్స్ టు క్యాపిటల్ జి. ఓకే. కన్సిడర్ ఇది ప్రూవ్ చేయాల్సిందిగా నేను దీనికోసం ఏం చేస్తానంటే కన్సిడర్ ఏబి ఇంటూ బి ఇన్వర్స్ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ని కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటే అప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే బై అసోసియేటివ్ కండిషన్ ప్రకారం ఏ ఇంటూ బి ఇంటూ బి ఇన్వర్స్ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ జస్ట్ బ్రాకెట్స్ చేంజ్ సిన్స్ బై అసోసియేటివ్ కండిషన్ that is equal to A into again B into B inverse into A inverse again by associate, that is equal to A into E into A inverse. Since B into B inverse is equal to identity element, again that is equal to A into A inverse, again A into A inverse is equal to E. Therefore AB into B inverse A inverse ని కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటే we get identity element. So this is the equation 1. Again consider B inverse A inverse into AB is a reverse consider చేసుకున్నాను. B inverse into AB. by associate to B inverse into A inverse of AB, since associate again that is equal to B inverse into A inverse into A into B, that is equal to B inverse into identity element into B, since A inverse into A is equal to identity element. Again that is equal to B inverse into B. Again that is equal to E, since B into B inverse is equal to identity element. Therefore, B inverse A inverse of AB కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుంటే we get an identity element. సో రెండిట్లో కూడా మనకి ఐడెంటిటీ ఎలిమెంట్స్ వచ్చినాయి. ఫ్రమ్ 1 and 2 AB into B inverse A inverse, that is equal to B inverse A inverse into AB. So both are identity elements కాబట్టి is equal to E. We can take one element from this. B inverse A inverse is equal to AB whole inverse. సో ఇదన్నా ఈనే, సో ఇది తీసుకున్నాను నేను. ఇది ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు అని తీసుకుంటే ఈ బి ఇన్వర్స్ ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ని ఇక్కడే ఉంచేసాను. ఏబిని అట్ రైట్ సైడ్ పంపించేస్తే ఏబి హోల్ ఇన్వర్స్. హెన్స్ ప్రూవ్డ్. Okay. If you have any doubts, please WhatsApp me. I will respond immediately. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.